years our comparison. It's like comparing Ghana to America. When in terms of development, America have more muscles. And so America, baby, terrible, dumb. America go to downtown, Washington, the state of the government. Koko downtown, where you feel your dear chin, baby. And then over say America from Wofiana. And now you don't want to do extensive research. Go to Los Angeles. And where a hot city, expensive city, but a city a choky with homeless people. What's your point? In as much as say, and you may be in does not mean say take advantage and create a certain miscomfort, and I say this it's a dysfunction argument. Do not do that. We need more things to think about. Pato TMY. Ote Dormaahene, you can never ever compare Dormaahene to Kumasi. So stop this analysis. So yes, sir, when you're fair to yourself. When you're fair. I mean, there's no way you need Dormaahene. You need to kind. I've been a reporter for over 15 years. I move around Ghana. It is a market area na a Gadifua at the distorted area na. Won't mean Kasa Wujinasura Kasa Sana Kumasi tie. And a Kumasi development, no, and yet a city I am fear for a Kumasi development. No. Omani a state called government, which is the republic. So when develop let us start to have this conversation. Because say we are going to go by a chief to chief or king, whatever chieftaincy. At the end of Dormaahene and Dormaahene, a young one Kumasi. Wow, we are Dormaahene, Bobby Chere. Milan, tell me one thing. Tell me one thing at Dormaahene, ya, or two for ye be, Kabicham near Radi. At the end of what Dormaahene, a yard the Cassibia chain woke Kumasi. Now, one Sani Panaca can be a winning Kumasi. Maybe to a mean to be of you. What ye? What yes, I was winning Kumasia, Chirami baby at Dormaahene, who fetch Kumasi. Nayanya, Malas, maybe I reason. And untina, there's no way some effort Kumasa me to Dormaahene. It doesn't make me a reasonable person. Because Dormaahene is different from Kumasi, absolutely. Dormaahene krokitwa. But when in terms of cleanliness, in terms of beautification, I then had Dormaahene to Kumasi. I open such as say, and you for now anymore Kumasi. Now Dormaahene and Ukraine say, Dormaahene Kroni and Cassia say, and I won't see you go to Google and find out the demarcations and the landmark of Dormaahene and come to Kumasi and check it. We are not dumb. We are not dumb people. And I want to be say Dormaahene is cleaning. That what Dormaahene prepra. All prepra Germany special being. This is jealousy against the chiefs and the king of Asantes. This is jealousy. Say Dormaahene prepra. How? Things are better than that. This is a shallow thing. Some you prepra me the camera see me so I mean young frame. I mean, oh yeah, that's okay. But I say who say what the camera so the better. Now near me Kumasi, I mean you will be any time crowd to see the camera come. Say Sammy or two see can I say a darkest you to focus see me na me bet me the better side there. We want more. We want more. That's why mumu na say Ukopra estate kakraka gated community big one. Now my beg could care better me. I mean, who say we want more. So I mean, and the end day. But what Dormaahene new to you? A new to you until be our because I could chat ya better. What Americano, what is Suma ya kura, krokitwa, a one fe. Suma, we know there, I've been there. So on TV, Bibi, I'll be chat ya, Kumasi, ya be, ya to Garden City. And Sakran and Nipa door, Suma Crony Bessa, no, said ya more canon. Ebia yobani do fa Kumasi now nam ahojo wonam ahojo da ban wonam golden tilibu now nam ha wo ba hu se say Kumasi no ye aha wo fa +2 ne do fa wo now ne namu yes ye do kwada so now ko top hey top yeah wo be ba wonum yeah enti bia ka say wonim Kumasi stop that enti sim say boys ni bia tete media no so no wo mu push propaganda bi na Kumasi e fi na Kumasi I am say that Kumasi e kejeti a on Kejetia is an international market stage. In every market stage, you know, said the leadership in the Gigi Honan Cliniwa, baby, and every country. Go to London. No, baby, baby, basa. What I say?
Okay, the quiet manone, but na a private jet, be wistisika, be co, ben faswebia niso, and then. Ben so America, it's not bepe abruchira kona bekika ben semsano. It's not be epe abrochira kwa na be
Kumasi nye kejetia jadia ukatedia kachiro Kumasi nye kejetia unim Kumasi come and let us show you Kumasi na o chiche okeken onti yenyi personal hate ni film na yenya sa yede shovel e compare spoon there's two different things Dormaahene ene otumfo nyepe enti omo nyepe so mani nsi da Sumahene otwin mu ni betere enti mi nyepe ene otumfo nyepe da we wo so wonti ase tufo emoa and Asante abakwasa ni mpani nsem no ukuro mu hene onibi eti wudi opa afa ho yawo na wodi akeka wadwen instead se mo be me musori amoso mo pempuntuo na wo no pesa wo kire se yanto ya mamre ne yamane yantwene na ebuye nimtia nessa pre develop wo yenya atwom hypocrisy. This is not the best. We want to tell you the truth because I don't me pretend you what you say. Dormaahene Sumahene cannot ever match themselves to any chief in the Asantes region. Never. Now Suma ekrobea. Suma. Ekro na to say, dear no. And I'm to kwayana. Me say I've been a media person, ma move around Ghana. Suma. Debbie, Jai. Jai krami anwe Jai. Monk yan kano kre, and until ye cry say ye development by ya draining your papa. Now, also, confess Suma say, Sumahene no be Asantes the yenye, at day, Sumahene. Na Suma Crony say, Doma Crona, and Cassia say, no more Asantes for say, Doma, we develop Punicro. Mummy, but me interest in some impesa, Dormaahene Biania Santini Benyasa interference. No, let us so leave history aside there. Let us leave it there and focus on our modern development. We all know, we know, say, we want more. That's why, Bibi must be any news to us. We don't show it. Yen show, a beer, top head top work, my ever domain, come on the better say, Dormaahene, yen, and ye. Asantini took Masi and Huniano, because we want more. So, I say, we want your person, we have more, could only develop. What I say? Na kopoko re chire hokoko hwe dan amanfo adwiragu ho. Kopoko re chire hokoko hwe dan egu santase. Kohwe ba bi Ebeneza hokoko dan amanfo adwiragu ho. Enti crony is developing ba obi a woni ani. The crony is developing. A dan asase boarding you can buy. Say crony developer asase bo nya de you can buy Kumasi asase santase untimi nto. Hwe me to asase bi just 2 years ago. Ewo poku ore chire ho and now so me catch how much worth I bet Joe nsem I need not to tell this e bi anka unimu anka be steady munyame anwe ho ate mu so mo asase okuma so mo kan bo nchire wo wo de be Joe nsem wo ka se Kumasi ba bi adidi agrosa ho unimu me catch ro Kumasi nya ba bi adidi agrosa unimu akọ Kumasi ne kobusa asase bo no mo kan chire wo na wo pe ba bi a ekuro nya wo Kumasi na wo didi agro no Obi a yeton atimi ton asase mo obi $100,000 na wo di asa na wo kan sa no sa wo ko St. Louis ne ko busa asase bo Santa Joso kwaso ko busa asase bo ne kan kire wo ko hwe dan buildings infrastructure samanfo osi o ka se multi internet so sa na Kumasi tie why you mistake wo kwasika wo tia watena bro church na wan ko pass asase anto wo be far away wo die wo sika ko pass asase nto Ghana ho. One day, we ban over go far away. I bet you and now go far the Mampontin. I was as a crowd to me talk. Far the Mampontin, for her estate near man for dying almost a year. You can buy. This is a fact. Your friend, what is she about? Yeah, some more. Anyway, I thought that's this is how we run the reason show. We run things can never run with. So all the fans take it easy. Why? Mommy can't message me and tell us. This is the reason. Benny say, Benny was it? I'm so Kasachel prosper, bro. As I said, that can do 2-4 is busy building schools. I mean, that's it. Milan, like I said, we the Asantes are good in bragging. And when you Santini, Milan, when you Santini, Obwa. Oya Santinia, you know better. Onya Santini, but I don't fault you so Onya Santini so. Onya Santini so you can't explain my life. Won't mean Charles Santia say Miami and Obwa. Oya Santini and you never say this Obwa. And Kaunim Kau Japadia woke Mas Grancabu. Oya Sonya Santini Obwa. Milan Onya Santini Jai Obwa. Okase ye hu na wo na mo be ye media no ya tena mo ache we na mo di media be tie wo so say me ya Asanteni but wo boa wo nye Asanteni bia wo boa hwe wo di enko wo ya Asanteni enko paja pade ni nsi Kumase na wo di okase Kumase asase ne ye to hu tena okase Kumase ye Kumase ye ho an wo di fa di agro ebe je wonsem o ya so nsa de do akọ ya akọhwe project ebe je wonsem wo di tena na e mankofo bi anyafo bi nkika o madwe na fa Kumase ne tena ho Kobusa me se wo de fa osika wo se wo na wo se wo sika fa osika ne ko Kumase o pass ase ato ne tie wasum. But Nananya Bright was here. I checked the population. Suma is 430 residents. Suma. Suma. Mommy and me hokra. Milan say you remove me from the Asante by force. David. Milan. Me you ba tie. Me unse me can compare Suma ne Dormaahene to force integrity. Never. Achievement. Jai. Ba Asanteni bia no ono I mean, wako audio otumfuo ne ma bi bon ho dawro ba bi we want them to do more. And to be a ho no Dormaahene hu a be ye onwanwa bi de ne ma tu mensu ya tumfuo aye no. Wu hu se Dormaahene ye be ye onwanwa. That is here. Nana Abra was say education minister is here reasoning. Please share. Great show. That's right. So GH Ohala was in Milan is just like Ohini David. They pretend they are Asantes. They just imposters. I mean, womunye onya Asanteni bia enim na no kasa. Asanteni bia enim na no kasa. Ai, enna asamu ha me fa Asante ho a minim se de mesi aka no. Asamu ha me sa asam bebre ha me fa Asante ho ba nya de wo dwen no a. Asam bebre fa Asante ho eye me ya me wo ha bebre ye hia more development. Enti sunwo de ho so obi esu nani wa. Obi esu nani wa. Na wo sunwo de ho or say a lot of terrible places all over the world. I mean, just any a class 1 to 1, just will be a pretender. Terrible places everywhere, but still we want more in Ashanti region. Milan, or say Garden City is back in the days. If you had to watch it, where would you try for Diagro? Memphis Diagro, yes, baby. Share, would you say Frobia or Thomas as in one country of Kumasi said the high level said you Kumasi develop speed be a developer. Would you try to cast a fakajeti Kumasi? Would you Milan, Tanase, never kajetia a Kumasi now, I bet you want some. Ubeka say, hey, we call Ghana as a board thing. Would you trans never diagro? You can't message me. This is maybe a logic, and I assume maybe a logic, and I don't want to lie to anybody. I will tell you, prove me wrong. Now you're here. It's time I say, Dormaahene achievement. In fact, we are Dormaahene. Tell me the achievement of Dormaahene. Nanajuma Badu. Let us all do analysis here. Untiminya dia jai say Dormaahene now say, or no, your Mahene to 2 for a Mahene to compare. How do you compare Dormaahene to 2 for if you are a fair person? Says Sumahene. How do you compare Sumahene to 2 for where? We are sa fair. One cast I fair to yourself. And then Sumahene compare with 2 for say, I mean, who person what say? Jaisa, be fair with yourself. I mean, check your message. He sweeps around with his, I mean, dirty clothes. I mean, with the munya with the now Dormaahene more fun with the munya with the why. My audio chirawabi in inatem why? In inatem. Chirawabi why? When chirawabi. Right. So this is a reason show, and the end of any beka. Uchatura ube creating tokwa.